Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guest, Mama Sigrid channel, a Fitiner o Zamatarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 16 hanggang June 22 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang din at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos updates. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang skip ng ads away, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisik-sik digdig na umapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the additional messages ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aries. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit guide, please give me information. Paano kayo sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga baraha? So there's a seven of swords, sneakiness. Now there's a cheating lying on you. Oh. Meron taong nagsisinungaling behind your back. Or either meron ditong manluloko sinungaling, impostor. No? There's something as secrets. No? So let's see. Alamin pa natin yan, guys. So there's the King of Cups. No? There's a devoted for the person. May taong sumusupport at gumagabay sa'yo dito. No? Let's see additional messages. And there's the Queen of Wands by confidence. So kailangan lakasan mo loob mo, maging matapang ka. No, lakasan mo to, bigyan mo ng kumpiyansa ang sarili mo sa lahat ng bagay. No, alisin mo yung kaduwagan, takot at pangamba. And there's a page of service, something curiosity. So kailangan mong tuklasin lahat ng bagay na nasa paligid mo. Alamin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong for you. And this is something that Knight of Wands. Konting tiyaga pa, konti na lang, no? May mga bagay na pinagtatrabahuhan mo, pinaghihirapan mo, maaaring makakamtan mo na ito. And of course, there's something that Three of Cups for celebration. No, maraming mga celebration na magaganap, no? Maaring there's an happiness or mayroon kang aatenan or dadaluhan na event. So let's see what is the Seven of Swords. Represent with the lovers. Oh, there's a cheating lying on you. No, maaring yung person mo ay nagsisinungaling sa'yo, niloloko ka. No, either cross-watcher out there, maaring niloloko ka ng person mo. No? What is the King of Cups? There's the Moon card. No, there's something, a dream. So, maaaring pupasok to sa panaginip mo, yung mga person mo. No, maaaring hindi ka makatulog dahil tumatakbo sa utak mo tong ancestors na to. No? And there's a Six of Cups. No? There's something, a past person coming back. Na may mga taong babalik from the past. At the same time, guys, there's something, the full card for leap of faith, na magtiwala at manampalataya ka sa ginagawa mo at magsasaksid ka dyan. And there's something, the judgment, pinapalahanan ka na you need to pay attention. No, kailangan na maging mabusisi ka, maging maingat ka, no, sa mga tao sa paligid mo. No, napakalapit mo na para malaman mo lahat ng katotohanan. No, let's see what is the Three of Cups. Represent with a hyphen for lesson learned. No, matuto ka na with this third party involved. No, matuto ka na sa mga kagastusan, no, sa mga bonggang kagastusan, no. Miwas ka na sa mga walang katuturang bagay. And there's a strength card with a confidence. So kailangan lakasan mo loob mo, maging matapang ka. No, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. No, ang pag-aalinlangan mo. No, malalaman mo kung sino itong third wheel na to or third party na to. And there's a page of wands. So there's a good news. May magandang impormasyon na ipinababatid sa iyo to. Kaya pumapasok siya sa panaginip mo na yung ancestors mo, may gusto siyang sabihin sa'yo. And because there's something, the King of Pentacles with something security, practicality. So, kailangan magkaroon ka ng seguridad sa kung ano naman yung bagay na gusto mo, plano mo, pangarap mo. What is the Page of Swords? Because the full card. Represent with the Six of Swords with the transition. Na unti-unti ka na rin daw makakalaya sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. Muli ka na raw makakabangon, makakawala, no? And of course, there's something, the Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. No, aani ka na rin. No, lahat ng mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo, pinagpaguran mo, makakamtan mo na ito. no? Makakamit mo na yung matagal mo nang minimit here, no? So, there's something, guys, with the Emperor, maging mature ka, maging grounded ka. Na matuto ka na, huwag ka na manipula o huwag ka na magpapauto sa mga tao sa paligid mo. No, mabilis ka kasing mauto, no? Na mga tao na yan. No, what is additional messages for the outcome? So, there's a death card. No, mayroon mga bagay na maaring tinapos na, no? Maaring nawakasan na. No, mayroon ditong natapos na relasyon or natapos na sitwasyon or either may mga bagay na talagang itinapos, no? And there's a Sun card with a pure positive outcome, no? Naliwanagan na or maliliwanagan ka na sa lahat na nangyari or may mga bagay na magdadala sa ito na positibong eksena. And there's a Star card, healing and recovery, no? Magkakaroon ka na ng healing at unti-unti ka na rin makaka-recover from the past, na matututo ka na how to manage and control your finances. And there's an Empress card for revert, no? Ibabalik yung sigla or either kailangan mo mahalin na talagaan yung sarili mo dito, no? And of course, there is something, the Five of Swords, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage that because of your action and decision. Kaya mag-ingat ka ha, baka sa huli, at the end of the time, mawala lahat ng mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo, no? And there's a Six of Wands, for victory is yours, na magtatagumpay ka, no? Makakamtan mo ano man yung mga bagay na gusto mong matamo, ano man yung mga bagay na gusto mong mararating mo yan. And there's a Justice card, no? With the power of the deck, may hustisya at may karma, no? So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit, no? Pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan. Alamin na natin yan, guys, so let's watch this. Okay, for finances and career, represent what? So, there's a Page of Pentacles. Na pagdating sa finances and career, invest wisely. Na matuto ka na how to manage and control your finances. And there's a Knight of Wands for slow and steady. Manatili kang mahinahon. Na huwag kang agresibo sa kung ano-ano man yung gusto mong bilhin, ano-ano man yung gusto mong kagastusan, na umiwas ka. Matuto at maging wais. No, and there's something, the Page of Cups, listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. Makinig ka sa nararamdaman mo dahil hindi ka ililigaw nito. No? Binibigyan ka ng something, vibration, intuition, insights of awareness para maging aware sa lahat ng gagawin mo, especially pagdating sa finances. And there's a Ten of Cups with a happiness. So, magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ang pamilya mo dito. And there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's something, a big shot and big money coming in. May malaking perang parating, may malaking opportunities na darating. No? What is additional messages? And there's something, guys, with a Five of Cups. Now, there's something disappointment. Some of you guys, no, mayroon dito mga bagay na pag-ingatan mo kung ayaw mong pagsisiyan sa huli. No? Lalo-lalo pag-usapin sa pera, maging wais, maging matalino sa pag-manage, pag-control, no? Huwag ka magpapaniwala sa mga taong nasa paligid mo, baka mabudol ka. Pagdating sa love life, there's a tower moment with a major changes. Malaking pagbabago na magaganap pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. And there's a Hermit card with something spiritual journey. No, kaakibat nito ay maaaring kaugnay ang ating Panginoon. No, talagang kasama mo sa lahat ng bagay na to ay ating gabay, ang ating Panginoon. No? Kaya nangyayari sa lahat yan, it's a God purpose. And there's an Ace of Wands. No, there's something, a new plan, new project, new love life coming in. And there's a Four of Wands. Some of you magkakaroon ng celebrations, a wedding of course, no? Magkakaroon ng homecoming, family gatherings, no? Some of you maaring ikasal, no? Maaring magkaroon ng new higher level of commitment. And this is something that's answer. Mag-ingat ka lang with the sabotage, no? Baka may sumabotahe sa inyong relasyon, no? Trumaydor. And there's an Eight of Wands na makakatanggap ka ng phone call and messages and email, no? Bibigyan ka ng mensahe dito. Or some of you guys, baka makapag-travel ka pa. Pagdating sa kalusugan mo naman, and there's a Four of Pentacles for saving money, protectionan mo at pangalagaan mo yung grounds mo, and even your territory. And this is something, the Queen of Pentacles, na magiging kalmado na ang iyong emosyon, magiging panatag na ang iyong pakiramdam, magiging maayos na ang iyong nararamdaman, no? And there's an Eight of Pentacles, mag-focus ka lang sa sarili mo, mag-focus ka lang sa ginagawa, mag-concentrate ka. And there's a Seven of Cups, there's a lot of opportunity coming in. Maraming oportunidad na papasok sa buhay mo, dapat handa ka dito. And there's an Ace of Cups, no? Nag-uumapaw na passion, no? Kaya kailangan alamin mo kung ano man yung mga bagay na mahalaga sa'yo. na nakakatulong for your mental health, no? And of course, there's a high physis, no? Maraming unexpected moment. Some of you, makinig ka sa intuition and inner voice mo. Binibigyan ka ng insight of awareness so something vibrations, no? Because of visions, no? Kumbaga, magtiwala ka sa iyong mga gabay. So, let's see. Hagilapin na natin at alamin na natin anong kaganapan sa buhay mo with the magical fairy messages and advices ang ating mga hagilap. So, guys, tuklasin na natin yan. And of course, kung bago ka sa channel ko, no, mag-isip ka na ng tanong. Kung anong gusto mong itanong, guys, mag-isip ka na. Then, of course, isa lang ang magiging sagot dyan with the 1, 2, or 3. Pipili ka ng isa doon. Then, of course, comment down below kung anong number na pili mo. Para malaman ko kung umabot ka ba sa reading na to. At doon mo mamaya malalaman sa dulo kung ano yung ibig sabihin na number na napili mo. Let's see and watch this. Okay, let's see what is the magical fairy messages represent what. With the magical fairy messages represent with a business venture. Now, some of you guys are magkakaroon ng business opportunities, no material offer, or either a new job, new work, new business ventures, and this is something goodbye to the old, hello to the new. No, may mga bagay na kailangan mo ng pakawalan, kailangan mo nang tanggapin yung mga bagay na magsisimulang muli. No, and this is something a new home. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong bahay, bagong tahanan, no? Moving is a step into the right direction for you, diba? What is additional messages with an Eagle Spirit for yin and yang? Okay, there is an attractions, not that you are being attracted to anyone. Na maaaring gustuhin ka, maraming taong kumaga na-attract sa'yo, and this is something a message with dreams. No, maraming mensahe sa'yo ng ating panaginip. No? And there's an Ace of Water, no? Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You are dealing also, no, with the Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And there's something vanity. Alisin mo yung luho, yung bisyo, no? Yung mga walang katuturang bagay, yung pride. No? So let's see what is the synchronicities represent what. For synchronicities represent with a soulmate. No? Some of you guys may soulmate connection dito, no? Maraming soulmate kayo na person mo. At the same time, this is something an intuition. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo, intuitions mo, sa vibrations mo. And this is something at home. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng bagong bahay, guys. No? Bagong tahanan. What is the romance age for a Mystic Love Oracle deck? And represent with a hook up one night stand. No? Umiwas ka dito, guys, no? Baka one night stand ka dito, no? Umiwas ka dyan, guys. And this is something agreed, no? There's a no second chances, no? Tinapos na, no? Maaring na-shaggy na yung person mo, no? Wala na, hindi mo na maibabalik pa kahit na magsisi ka, no? Ganun talaga. What is an angel's number? Represent what? What is the angel's number? Angel's number represent with a 24 with a good times. You are worthy of affections, leisure, and pleasure. If you tell your family and friends how you feel, you find that you're on the same page and can work together effectively. Many people are rooting for you. If you're spreading love, it will be find its way back to you multiplied. So, see, kailangan mo ipahinga, alagaan at mahalin mo yung sarili mo at the same time mga tao sa paligid mo. And because kailangan mo maging open din na sa mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, mamaya parehas pala kayo na nararamdaman, no, nang nararanasan, no? So, let's see what is the Money Move Oracle deck. With the Money Move Oracle deck, represent what? And represent with the spiritual world. Spiritual work represent open your heart to a spiritual career and heal the human heart. You are light worker. Some of you guys, no, maaaring magiging manggagamot ka or magagamot ka or maaaring nanghihilot ka, no? Or kailangan mo na manggagamot dito na tutulong sa'yo. Na pero you are also a light worker. Ibig sabihin dito, maaaring ikaw yung makakatulong sa sarili mo at of course, maaaring makatulong ka rin with other people. What lies beneath with the hidden future? Or may kakayanan ka dito, guys. And of course, there's something recording, announcement, revealing na may mga bagay na malalantad na sa'yo. No, or may mga bagay na sikreto na unti-unti na mailalabas, mailalantad. What is the shadow work represent what? With a shadow work represent what? Represent with the unknown. Surrender, curiosity, and faith. No? Magtiwala sa ginagawa mo, magtiwala sa nangyayari sa buhay mo. No? At surrender mo lahat. Na may mga bagay na hindi mo talaga kontrolado. Hayaan mo siyang kusang mangyari. And of course, there's something guys with a clarifying for love situation. And there's something capricious. No? Children are involved or someone is being immature. So some of you guys, no? Maaring involved dito ang yung mga anak or nagkakaroon ng immaturity sa situations mo, sa eksena mo. Just being aware guys, no? Maaring naapektuhan yung mga anak mo dito, gano'n, ganyan. And of course, there's a clarifying for life situation. For clarifying for life situation, represent with a wish granted. So, see, matutupad yung mga pangarap mo. The outcome may not be exactly what you want, but it's what you need. So, see, ang kalalabasan dito, hindi sa gusto mong mangyari or gusto mong makuha, kundi sa mas kailangan mo. No, yun yung mga bagay na ipagkakalob sa'yo dito, no? And there's a path of the light. What is the path of the light? Ano yung magsisilbing liwanag? And there's a perseverance. No, konting tiyaga. I believe in myself and stay true to my heart. Through persistence, I follow my path. With unwavering trust, knowing that everything will move in the positive directions, no? Magiging mas positibo ang kalalabasan dito at mas magiging maganda ang eksena. Na magtiwala ka lang sa ginagawa mo. So guys, let's see what is additional messages with a pick a card, yes or no. Alamin na natin ano magiging sagot sa tanong mo. Let's watch this. Okay, so there is a yes or no, pick a card. Let's start with the number 1. And there is a no. No, not ready to get started. Plans aren't fully formed. No, kumbaga hindi ka pa handa. No, hindi pa dapat simulan yung eksena na to. May mga bagay na hintay mo yung tamang panahon na tamang pagkakataon. Huwag kang magmadali. Number 2, and there's a no again, cannot break the ice, chilly reception, bleak, no? Ibig sabihin dito guys, na may mga bagay na unti-unting sisirain or mababasag sa sitwasyon na kailangan mong tanggapin yung katotohanan na hanggang dun lang. No, may mga bagay na kailangan mong kumaga alisin or pakawalan yung sarili mo mula dito sa sitwasyon na ito. No? May mga bagay na hindi masisira at may mga bagay din na nasira. No? And there is a yes with the number 3. Your eyes are fully open, seeing what possible. So see, ang mga mata mo ang makakakita at makakatuklas. No, ano man yung mga bagay, posibilidad na mangyari sa hinaharap. No, bibigyan ka ng insight, awareness, no? So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 16 hanggang June 22 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang skip ng kadsaway, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po and see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush!